Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Tom. So I've been on YouTube now for almost 3 months, and I thought it was time to share some tips on how you can get started on YouTube and what you need to know on YouTube. So I'm giving you all everything for free. Yes, for free. There's no ebook, there's no course, there's no masterclass, there's no ads. I don't have to monetize my audience to give you all value. Unlike Graham Stephan with 3 ads every 15 minutes, unlike Tai Lopez trying to charge you $1,000 for his masterclass. For me, there's none of that. I don't have to monetize my audience to bring you all value. There's no bullcrap. All of these tips that I'm going to tell you are things that I use and things that I have learned in my time with YouTube. Now, I've had people contact me and ask me what they need to do for when starting out on YouTube. I've helped people, and my own mom has started her own channel, and I've been managing it behind the scenes and helping her with that. So I would say I'm more than qualified to talk about it. Now, I couldn't fit everything into one video, so I decided to do 2 videos about the same subject. So be on the lookout for that. I will upload these videos back-to-back weeks. So keep that in mind and be on the lookout for that. Now, before I get started with all the tips, there isn't any specific order to the tips and information I'm giving, so just keep that in mind. So tip number 1, try and be focused. Know your niche. Don't have a cooking channel and then a fitness channel and then a vlogging channel. You don't want to do that. There's this quote from Sean Cannell, who I look up to a lot. He said, "The riches are in the niches." So the more niche down you can get, actually, the better and more focused your channel will be. For my channel, I started out as kind of just a financial education channel, and in a way my channel is still that, but I only realized that the specific niche I was going to was financial freedom. And you all may ask, why is Tom doing credit card videos about financial freedom? That's a good question. So I will need credit in order to get loans. Loans for real estate, loans for businesses, things like that. If my credit isn't good, then I'm not gonna get the loan. So this is what the credit card and all that information comes in, as well as the credit card points. Whenever you're financial free, you can go travel wherever you want. So if you credit churn or you have credit points, you can use those points and travel the world for free. You don't have to spend money to go to, for me, South Africa, or go to Dubai. I can use my travel points, travel rewards from credit card churning, and get that. So that's where the credit comes in within my niche. But you need to know who you want, you need to know your audience, and you need to know what you want to do. This leads me into don't be afraid to try new things out. So I was kind of reluctant to try like credit cards because people might not think that financial freedom relates to it, but from what I just described, it does. Don't be afraid to try things within your niche, but don't go so far out. Like if you just saw me post like a vlog or whatever, I don't think you all would find that related to the channel. What I mean by don't be afraid to try new things out is try live streaming. And I know YouTube just got rid of the freaking live stream for you need at least 1,000 subscribers in order to live stream now, which is so stupid, but that's another rant. But also learn your upload times. Like for me, I wasn't afraid to try out later days in the week to upload on, or try different times of the day to upload on. Try things out and see what you think. Don't be afraid to try new things out for your channel. The last thing is, it's okay if you decide to change to a new niche. If you decide, for me, like I said earlier, I thought I'd be financial education, and basically my big niche is personal finance. But personal finance is very vague, so I wanted to go farther in and say financial freedom, but most of my things are personal finance related. If you find that, it isn't working for you, you run out of content ideas, I think that's when you need to switch it up. But don't be afraid to switch it up, like do a channel rebrand or anything like that. Like I've already done that on my channel, and I think it'll help you if you do that. So tip number 2, use your phone as the camera. There's a big myth that you need to go out and go buy a fancy camera before you start YouTube, and today that's not the case. You don't need some fancy camera now because you have your phones. I'm recording this on my phone. I don't have a camera. This is all on my iPhone. Luckily I have an iPhone XS Max, but some people that I've talked to have lower phones and they can still do it off of their phones, and the quality is not bad at all. The trick is you want to try and use what you have already. So if you have an iPhone, here's what I'd recommend. If you have an iPhone, try and get a MacBook because they're compatible with each other, they work well with each other, then you can use iMovie. If you have a Galaxy, I would recommend using Adobe. Now Adobe is just a filming software, and iMovie is also a film editing software. But if you have an Android, I'd recommend using Adobe because they work well together, and then use like a Windows computer. Now, eventually, what I think is going to happen is you will not have to buy a camera for YouTube. Eventually, it'll just be all on your phone, and you won't have to go out and go buy a new camera. But we're not there yet. So if you really want to upgrade your camera quality, then buy a camera. But in the beginning, when you're starting out, you can just use your phone and that'll be fine. Make sure whenever you do start out to get a tripod. I got the Joby Grip, Joby GorillaPod 3K for my phone. That's what I use, and it's really good. For my phone, with the case that I have, I had to get like a little attachment off of Amazon. So it was, the case that I use for my phone is super wide and it's super bulky, so it didn't really fit too well. So I had to get like another attachment, and I put it on a tripod and it works well. Now the mic I use is a lavalier mic, and you can really use any other mic, just personal preference. You got the Rhodes, you got the mics you can just put on the phone in the USB section. You can kind of pretty much do whatever you feel like there. Tip number 3, speaking on camera. This is a lot harder than what most people realize. You know, you think, oh, you know, I can just sit there and talk on a camera. The problem is no one's there, or at least you have to think someone is there. That helps you a lot, but no one really is there. You're just talking to a phone, talking to a camera. The best way I can help you with that is act like you're giving a speech. Before I started YouTube, I took a public speaking class at college. And of course, when I was speaking to people, no one was talking back to me. I was just listening. I was feeding off of people. But I also was giving a speech, so I knew what I was going to say in here. I think that really helped prepare me for that. But just act like you're giving a speech, you know? No one's going to really say anything. You're just talking. And try and act like you're talking to someone. I think that really helped me out. That's just how my communication style works. I know one of the hardest things for me talking on camera is looking at you right here, right on the dot. Like, I have a tendency to look at myself on the screen, like right here, instead of looking right here at the camera spot. And it's a bad problem, but I know it happens. So just train yourself to look straight into the camera hole and look at that. Now, if you feel like you're gonna forget everything you say, you come up here, learn how to script your video. So I script my videos, in case you all didn't know, and my scripts look like this. I script my videos because it's a good way to make sure you're saying what you need to say, you don't get lost, it's not all up in here, and you keep track of what's going on. It's also a lot less anxiety on you to try and remember what you're going to talk about because you have it right in front of you. Another thing about scripting is when you write it out, because I write it out in my big journal right here, and then I'll go and type it out into a computer and print it out and then put it right here in front of me so I can read off of it. Now, I don't really stay to it. I don't really specifically read word for word on there. I put general things, but it really helps me out, and I recommend that. I see a lot of people when they start out on YouTube, they seem really uncomfortable, and I think if people learn to go slow, it will help you a lot. There is no rush because you can go back and edit time out. So whenever you're not talking or dead space, you can go back, cut it, delete it, and you're good to go. No one knows. If you also make a mistake, you don't need to stop the recording. You just need to stop, think about it, and keep going. Because in editing, you can go back and also get rid of that. So it's not a big deal. And also knowing that you can just go back, delete it, not see the true thing. In editing, it helps a lot. Tip number 4, create your own style. Now you all may think, what do you mean style? And I'm going to talk about different kinds of styles, but first, create your own communication style. Now everyone talks in a different way. Everyone communicates in a different way. You have to communicate in a way that you're comfortable with and a way that you've always had. I learned with my public speaking career in college that I was very loose. I just kind of said what was in my head. I made jokes as I went by and I fed off to other people. And it's kind of harder to do that on camera because people aren't directly in front of you. You don't know who's listening. But the best thing that I do is I'm just open. I'm in context. I fool around. I'm jokey. And I'm not, like, I may seem super serious in these videos, but that's just kind of how I am in these videos. But the podcast coming out later on, I'm going to be very loose. Create your own editing and your thumbnail style. So my editing style is very different. I try to put like a lot of humor, a lot of funny things, kind of contrasting how I am on camera, because on camera I seem so serious, but in person I'm not really that serious. Now with my thumbnail style, I am pretty professional. I use Photoshop, I learned it. I try and make sure my thumbnails are professionally done, look amazing, because I know how important your thumbnails are, and they are super, super important. Because to me, I look at a thumbnail like a cover of a book. You got to try and reel people in, and for me, I like to use like bright, flashy colors to bring people in. And now I've had multiple people tell me that they love my thumbnails. They think it's professional and quality, and it's amazing to hear that because I spend quite a bit of time on them. But I recommend that for a lot of people is to put a lot of time into your thumbnails because they matter. So if you see another YouTuber such as like Graham Stephan, he'll do a video that, of course, they're kind of in my niche. We do similar videos, But I know if I like what they did, I'll just do the same style of video, like this, over the same thing, but I'll put my own twist into it. I won't sit there and say what they said, everything or whatever. I might say like one or two things that I agree with, but I'm going to put my own twist into it. I'm going to put my own view into it to make it different. And I can't recommend enough YouTubers to do that. Just don't copy everything they did, and don't change one or two things up. Do it your own, how you perceive it. Everyone looks at things differently. So put your own input into the video. That way it's different. Now this part into creating your own style is the most important, because I think you have to be you. A freaking bee right there in my window. Be you. Oh, that's ironic. Be you. Don't be someone you're not. Like for my channel, if I know for 1 second or one video, I'm not someone that I want to be, or someone that I'm just not me, then I'm not going to upload the video. It's so important to me that I want you all to see who I am. And I think that's so important, is don't be someone else, be you. Everyone else is taken, so why not be you? Now the last tip for this video is get your first video out. It is the hardest thing to do, is getting that first video out, because you're like, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if this will look good. I don't know if anyone will watch it. Those were the things that went through my head, but you have to push through that. Like, I know it's so cliche. Everyone's like, oh, the first video, whatever. Yeah, it's true. Your first video will never be the perfect time to upload. It'll never be the perfect time to start YouTube, and you have to accept that. You have to move on from that. The video will not be perfect either. You will make mistakes. You will go slow. You will come back and look at it and be like, geez, I was so bad. For some reason, my first video did the best for me view-wise, and it seems like everyone really liked my first video. I don't know how it was one of my best, but that's just how it goes. But accept the fact that your first video will be your worst video, and that's okay, because everyone's first video is not the best, and you have to accept that if you want to start YouTube. The first video you put up will also be the hardest, because you're not used to the processes. You're not used to sitting down and making a thumbnail. You're not used to sitting down editing. You're not used to sitting down and making captions, descriptions, and marketing. All of these processes are new. So the first time you do it, it's going to seem harder. It's going to seem unusual, and you're not going to be as motivated. But I'm telling you, once you get that first video out, you can start cranking these videos out left and right. Like for me, I spread out my stuff. I spread out my workload. Like on Saturdays, I record, I shoot the thumbnail, I start cutting. Sundays, I cut even more. Mondays, I do B-roll. Tuesdays, I do sound and zoom-ins. Wednesday, I work on the specific thumbnail in Photoshop and upload it and close caption it, add cards, add links, descriptions, and then Thursday, I just make it public. But that's how I split up my workload, and I think it helps you a lot if you can just split it up rather than doing it all in one day. So in next week's video, I'm gonna have a lot more tips, even more tips than this video. So be on the lookout for that. If you all got any value from any of those tips, please let me know. Social media, comment section, whatever, DM me, whatever. If you got some good tips, you really enjoyed the video, please let me know. Guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, smash that like button for me. I really appreciate that. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.